Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Zillion's here with us, but Popeye cannot come to this park, even though he should totally be able to be here. We're the RC Sailors, and welcome to our RC family. Today, we are going to bash with the BSD Racing Dune Racer Buggy car truck thing. It's a dune racer, but it's definitely got a unique shape in the body design. I really like it a lot, and if you watched our speed test, I showed you how it opens up and showed you where the motor is and stuff. Well, that's a 3300 kV brushless motor with a 50 amp ESC, which is really awesome. Now they recommended 2S battery, a 2-cell LiPo battery, but I think with a 50 amp ESC in that motor, you could probably run 3S. Regardless, we're going to drive this on the battery that does come with it, which is a 7.4 volt 2-cell. I think it was a 3300 milliamp LiPo, which is really not bad, with a Dean's connector. I still have my Velcro on there from our speed test, and nice RC Sailor sticker. If you guys want to support us and get some of your own RC Sailor stickers, you can through our Patreon link in the description box below as well. I do like this. It's 4-wheel drive. It's very unique, and unique is a good thing in the hobby. Also, it's a really good price, right under $200. It comes with a transmitter. It comes with everything except for the charger for the battery, and of course 4 AA's. The transmitter is really nice. It's got digital trims. It's fully proportional, and I love that it's got like a shield in here protecting all the electronics and moving parts, or at least most of them, from the dust and water and dirt and mud and things. So we're going to do some bashing with it, drive it on the hill, which is really muddy and wet right now, so this should be a lot of fun. So let's go. This is 10th scale too, by the way. Oh, okay.
How embarrassing.
That was embarrassing.
Oh, how double embarrassing.
Oh, no.
You made Amelia cry.
That was a really weak start, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
I was gonna say, the dirt is wet today. It shouldn't have issues.
Yeah, it just blasts right up. I'll do full throttle up. Ooh. 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 It caught that root. Oh, man. Oh. I really don't want to walk all the way up there.
Oh my gosh. Walk of shame. It looks like someone pooped on it. Alright, try again. Full throttle. Why is he driving this? Why is he driving? What is going on? This is embarrassing. Don't drive it over the other hill. Okay. That was a little bit better. Oh, went right over the big puddle. Let's not break this truck. That was good. Good job.
Okay, the boss is at the controls now. You get the poop truck. Now, I'll say that because it's actually pretty cool. Okay. It is just play. Oh, you made me look so bad. Okay, since I'm up here, I'm gonna stay up here. Oh, back and forth. Woo! Nice. I think this is cool. It's got a really low profile, and it looks awesome. Woo! That was awesome. Oh, I know what you're doing. You're playing in the dirt. Oh! She looks so tiny way down there. This is a cool buggy. That's what I'm gonna call it. I think I'm gonna go with buggy. I know it's a dune racer, but buggy. Wow. The collar is really bright too. I love how bright it is. Oh, water. Pushing Amelia and driving the buggy. That's skill. That is skill. The thing about this little thing is there's no not seeing it. It's so bright. Whoa, 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 whoa. You know, maybe it can't go 75 kilometers an hour, but it's still fast. Still very fast. 55 kilometers an hour, still crazy. Whew. Oh, hold on, got a stick. Look at that. That's funny. Okay, I am safely off Mud Mountain. Go ahead. Okay, I think that's at least 3 rolls. It's my turn. You get one more roll. Now you're driving slow. Like, I'm not gonna roll it. Well, that should say something about it. I didn't bash it a whole lot here, just the, oh, my turn.
It's nice knowing your truck. Dad's about to break it.
This thing is quick. You're right, it's taking wide turns, so let's turn up the steering dual rate so it's a little more sensitive.
Oh, sound like you broke something.
It did sound rough.
Why do I let you drive trucks?
I don't want to break it. They go faster in my hands toward harder things for some reason. Oh, that's a lot of water.
Oh my gosh, let's not. You're making Amelia upset.
Oh.
That was short-lived.
Okay, no more flipping, no more flipping. I'm going too fast, I think. I'm hitting this stuff full throttle, like, ooh, fishtailing, what? That was crazy. Oh, the tires are really wet, so it's just like sliding everywhere.
I'm surprised it didn't flip right with that.
Still fast.
Yeah.
You can't deny that at all. I mean, if you're going to bash like we are, oh, yeah, kicked in bad. You really don't want it to go much faster for bashing. Wow.
Wow, 2 lucky little flips in a row.
Well, this thing is a blast, guys, and before Amelia gets upset, I think we should probably wrap this up and get the whole family warmed up. I really like this. No, it doesn't go as fast as they advertise, and that's a problem that needs to be addressed, I think. But it is very fast, and in my opinion, more than fast enough. This is my lucky green Dune Buggy. I love how this thing looks. I mean, overall, just the whole sleek look of it is like my favorite part of it, and it is very fast and very fun to bash. The price is awesome, comes with its battery. I cannot complain about this thing. I'm sure there are some things that could be upgraded, like the tires could use an upgrade eventually. Oh
my gosh!
That is my lucky truck, my lucky buggy. I like this a lot. Normally when I just rolled again and it rolled back over. That's amazing. Normally when I wrap these videos up, I like to take my hands off the controls and give you guys full focus, and I probably should, but I really like this. And if you're like me and you think it's pretty cool too, I'll have a link for you in the description box below. Right now, it is on sale under $200, but when I picked mine up, it was about $210. So you can save about 20 bucks on this thing right now. Remember, if you want to pick up some of your own RC Sailor stickers, we'll have our Patreon link down there below too. And to those of you that do support us on Patreon or have in the past, thank you so much, because you're the reason that helps keep our channel going as strong as it is. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
Oh, look at that!
Oh my gosh!
It can't be stopped. Oh, no.